Oh my goodness, I am so sorry about that. Let me see what I can do for you.
You build a business to own your life, not to become its prisoner. So why does your phone feel more like the landlord than you do? Chaos is a choice. We don't just build dashboards, we build peace. This is the Airbnb OS. This isn't just a calendar. This is clarity, forged into a single pane of glass. Every booking, every property, every dollar, visible and secure. The end of double bookings isn't a feature, it's the new standard. Every guest, anchored to a single source of truth. No more hunting through emails or messages. Every detail, from the first inquiry to the final review. Your properties aren't just listings, they're assets. With living blueprints, lockbox codes, maintenance history, every vital sign tracked, secure, and instantly accessible. This is how you build a business that breathes without you. Delegate with surgical precision. Your team knows what to do. You know it's done. You're no longer the bottleneck. You are the architect. This is the DNA of your operation. Clone your best work. Make your team unstoppable. Scaling isn't a dream. It's a documented procedure. Clarity isn't a mood. It's an operating system. This is the framework that guards your time, protects your legacy, and gives you back the one thing you can't buy more of. Own your time. Get the Airbnb OS now.